used to save EcoNet for the premium products because the premium products were the only ones that could communicate with it, the only ones that had, the communication capabilities of the blower and other things. And we thought, well, let's just increase the communication capability and let's put it on the outdoor, let's put it on the furnace. So now we have EcoNet capability all the way down to the base tier. Now it's, as a service, your service contractor, whoever you partner with, can keep track of what's going on with your unit and tell you when you have got problems as the consumer. But as the contractor also, you're now connected with your customers. And you can keep track of the maintenance capabilities, the faults, the issues, and you can be as much of a partner in that home's operation as the owner is.